In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot Surfshark app. If you're experiencing challenges with your app, maybe your app is not opening or it is not working properly, it keeps on crashing, or it is too slow, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. All right, in the first method, we need to access the app or this VPN app info page. You can do this by going to settings and then look for information page for this particular app. However, the shortcut method is just to long press on your app and you should see app info. However, if you can't see this app info, you should see a settings gear just like this one here, or even the name of the app. In my case, I have app info, so I'll tap on it and access the page directly. For this tutorial, I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, at this point, first we need to stop any activities running in the background on this app by tapping on force stop. And once you have confirmed that, then head to clear data here and tap on clear data, then choose clear cache, and finally okay. So once you have done this, now you need to restart your smartphone, and once your smartphone has been restarted, go open your app and everything should be okay. However, if you still have a challenge with the app, then come back to app info page again, and this time around you'll need to clear all data by tapping on clear all data here and then okay. For this, you'll be logged out and therefore you will need to log in afresh with your credentials. However, if this didn't solve your problem, then you need to check for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store if you're on iPhone for any update. For my case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Play Store. And as you can see, we have our app here. Fortunately, on my end, I don't have any update. However, if you have an update on your end, make sure you update this to the latest version. By updating your app, now you'll use the latest version that is supported. However, if your app still crashes, for that you'll need to uninstall the app and then install it afresh. By doing that, you will have fixed all bugs that might be associated with your app. And before you install, you might want just to clear trash from your phone. So check for any trash cleaner and run to clear all trash on your phone before you install your app. So that's how you can fix these issues with your Surfshark VPN app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.